What's up, you guys? NFT God here. In this video, we will be looking at the next big NFT that I think it's gonna explode. This NFT has so much potential. But before I get started though, I do want to remind you, this is not financial advice and you should always, and I mean always, do your own research. So today we are going to be talking about blockchain miners. Okay, so what is blockchain miners? Let's go to their website. So blockchain miners NFTs are hand-drawn, rare, and unique artworks. Their unique artworks are inspired by Bitcoin miners Antminer S19. So if you don't know what an Antminer S19 is, let me pull one up here for you guys. There you go. And now you could see the similarities to the art. And the art, I had to say, I really love it. I think it's something awesome, something unique. It's something you don't see on OpenSea, pretty much. So one thing I really love about this project is by owning one of these NFTs, you get a stake in the income generated by 100 Bitcoin miners. That's one big thing when it comes to these projects that have major potential, is the utility they have. There's so many other projects that look awesome, but they don't have much utility and they don't make you money as you hold. Every owner also has a vote on what to do with the Bitcoins mined by the 100 plus miners. So far this month, they reinvested over 75K in Bitcoin this month alone to buy more miner. That's awesome. And we all know how important is a community as well. When it comes to NFTs, the stronger the community, the stronger the NFT. So let's go ahead and see their Discord. If you join their Discord, which I would provide in the description below, what really sets this community apart, let's go ahead and take a look here. What really sets this community apart is many people have a place to genuinely feel seen and heard in the NFT space, and that truly means everything to many people. Seeing their ideas being put into play, you'll find people in the community who would also help you even get started on mining crypto yourself. Trust me, once you join this Discord, you will feel welcome. They're super amazing and lots of good people in here. So let's have a look at their Discord here. So they have different missions here, as you can see. Missions are a way for the community to help us remain actively engaged on all social media platforms, Twitter, IG, TikTok, YouTube, etc. So they have missions. They also have what I found really cool is, where is it at? Oh, I can't mean fan art right here. This is funny, and this is dope. This is just dope. It makes me laugh. So let's go ahead and show you who the founder is as well. So the founder is not online here. Let's go on the website. The founder is Brandon. So what people really love about this project is the founder and the devs, the team pretty much. They're super transparent and the communication is amazing. So let's go over here and now let's go ahead and look at the activity this NFT has. So we could see around the last 90 days, average price was at 0.13. And now we are, it's January 7th, and this price has gone up to 0.46. Okay, number of sales, it looks like average number of sales, it was decreasing here for a bit. And now during the end of this, actually when January, in the beginning of January, the first days of January, you see those number of sales go up. All right, so let me go ahead and go back to the main page here so you guys could at least check out some of this cool art. All right, so floor price is at 0.4. Volume traded 961. So the mint price of this project was what was it, 0.07. So it's gone up quite a bit. So those are really good signs. So get in before it's too late. I see this hitting at least 1/8 for sure. So get in before it's too late. That'll be all for me today. I hope you guys loved the video, and I'll be giving you guys weekly updates on this specific NFT here because me personally, I see growth here. I see potential here. So I'm gonna be in it for the long haul. So that's all. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, please, if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, see you guys later.